Okay, so one of the very important things with your machine is to keep it clean, like anything. If you don't keep your machine clean, you'll find that over time residual coffee oils will build up inside the machine, and they will taint every coffee that you make, because they will turn rancid and they will impart a negative flavour to your coffees. So to clean the machine, Breville provide a tablet, or we also recommend EVO Espresso Machine Cleaner, which we use, and the reason we use this is because it's a certified organic input and it doesn't compromise the organic nature of our coffee. Basically with the Breville, you put one tablet in here, or with the powder you put there's a scoop in there, you put one scoop in here, and then you simply put that into your group head, lock it in and run the group for about 10 seconds. Stop it, repeat that process 5 times. Then you take the portafilter out, you rinse it, make sure there's no residue of any powder left in it, and then you repeat the process with clean water to make sure that you've purged everything with clean water through the machine, so that the next coffee you make is not going to be tainted with any of that chemical that's been through the machine and cleaned it. Another thing to do with cleaning is with your steam wand, you need to purge it each time you use it, you need to wipe it before you use it, and you need to wipe it after you've used it. It's very important not to let milk build up on there, because it can block it. It can also turn stale and rancid as well. So when to purge it, you just switch it on for a brief period, let it run through for about 2 or 3 seconds, and then you're done, switch it off again. It's quite simple.